Welcome. Today we'll look at a cartridge saver. If you've used a Cube 3 printer for any period of time, you probably realize that those little tabs that hold the cartridge in are not that strong. They tend to fail, especially since you have to squeeze them so hard to get them out. What you're looking at here is a simple little part to solve that problem. Prints easily. About an hour, no big deal. But it replaces the tabs that are normally in the cartridge. The tabs we're talking about are these. Right? That's what locks the cartridge into the printer while it's printing. They have a really bad habit of breaking right along this edge. So to use this little adapter, I'll make sure that cleans up a little bit before you use the adapter. This is the case that's already had the tabs removed. Notice that it's flush here, flush here. And I put the clamp in. It just kind of replaces the stock. It works great. The other part of this video is intended to show you how to get into this silly cartridge. So I'm going to show you how I do this, and it works pretty well. And obviously it's not a full cartridge, but it works the same. I'm going to put my thumb here in this notch. I'm going to grab that edge. What I'm going to do is I'm going to squeeze. As soon as I do, it starts to open up, which is nice. What you're looking for is these grabbers. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to keep peeling. And don't worry, it's not going to come up because there's tabs in the middle, but we have to release it as much as we can on both sides. Okay, this one's a little tough. There we go. Now, I'm holding them apart. There's 4 little holes right here. You get a little tool, chisel, wedge, whatever. It fits inside of here. Once those 2 pop, cartridge is pretty much open. So I have to do one right there, one there. So, done. So this can be the old style, new style, doesn't matter. It's got the little window in it. Right? While you're at this stage, I'm going to also recommend you put a dab of glue under that and that. Those 2 tend to get in the way if they just fall out or you lose them. But that's how you open a cartridge case. Let's put it back together. Done. Life is good. Use a clip. You now have a cartridge just like you used to have. Do it again. Because we seem to do it a lot. Okay, one. Yep, grabbing all the tabs. There we go. And release. One, release. There we go. 1, 2. Okay. Ta-da. Okay, hope that helped. Thanks for watching.